Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive deep into the world of products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a look at the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender, a sleek and powerful blender designed to elevate your kitchen experience. If you're someone who loves making smoothies, shakes, and even more complex creations like creamy purees or chunky salsas, this might be the kitchen companion you've been looking for. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. The ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender is not your average blender. With a striking black design, it combines modern aesthetics with performance that promises to make your blending experience smoother and more efficient. But what really sets this blender apart? At the heart of its performance is a robust 1400-watt motor, which provides enough power to easily handle even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're whipping up creamy smoothies or crushing ice for a refreshing drink, this blender has the muscle to get the job done. On top of that, it features 6 speed settings, offering a range of blending speeds for all your different needs, from gentle blending to high-speed pulverization. A standout feature of this blender is its German-made Winglet blade. Known for its precision and sharpness, the Winglet blade is designed to cut through tough foods with ease, ensuring that your smoothies and shakes are as smooth as possible. It's ideal for creating perfectly blended drinks, but it can also chop through denser foods, making it versatile enough to tackle various tasks in the kitchen. You'll notice that even the hardest vegetables, fruits, or ice cubes are finely chopped, giving you consistent results every time. When it comes to usability, this blender is designed to be as convenient as it is effective. It includes a tamper holder, which is incredibly useful when dealing with thicker mixtures, allowing you to push against down into the blades without having to stop the blender. The removable lid adds extra convenience when it comes to adding ingredients or cleaning up afterward. The digital display is intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring you can easily control the blender and select the speed you need. In real-world testing, the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender performs exceptionally well. I tested it with a variety of tasks, from making smoothies with frozen berries to blending a batch of homemade salsa. The 1400-watt motor really comes into its own when working with tougher ingredients like ice or fibrous vegetables, easily turning them into smooth, drinkable blends. Even when I used it for thicker tasks, like pureeing soups, the blender handled everything with ease, maintaining consistent results. That said, for some particularly stubborn ingredients, like large chunks of frozen fruit, I found myself needing to use the tamper to ensure everything got blended evenly. When it comes to the pros of this blender, the powerful motor is definitely one of its key strengths. It provides the necessary power to blend tough ingredients and ensures smooth results every time. The German-made Winglet blade is another highlight, delivering precision cuts that make a noticeable difference in the final texture of your blends. The 6 speed settings provide versatility, and the inclusion of the tamper holder and removable lid enhances the user experience, especially for those who make a variety of blends. However, no product is perfect, and there are a few cons to consider. The ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender is on the pricier side, which might make it less appealing to budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while the digital display is sleek and modern, some users might prefer physical buttons or knobs for a more tactile experience. Also, while the blender is powerful, it's worth noting that it can be quite loud during operation, particularly when blending at higher speeds, which might be an issue if you're sensitive to noise. In terms of value for money, the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender sits at a higher price point, but it does offer a lot of premium features. The powerful motor, high-quality blade, and sleek design justify its price to an extent. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are other blenders with slightly fewer features that might still get the job done. For example, the Vitamix Explorian series offers comparable power and performance, but at a similar price point, though it lacks the aesthetic appeal and the specialized Winglet blade design of the ZWILLING. When comparing the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender to other blenders in the market, it's clear that its unique design and high performance features set it apart from many alternatives. Blenders like the Ninja Professional 1000 Watt and the NutriBullet RX offer solid performance, but don't quite match the power and versatility of this Zwilling model. Where it really shines is in its superior blade design and its ability to blend tougher ingredients without as much hassle, making it a good option for those looking for a more specialized product. In terms of build quality, the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender feels solid and premium. The materials used in its construction give it a high-end feel, which is backed up by the reputation of the ZWILLING brand for producing durable and reliable kitchen appliances. While we don't have long-term data on its durability, based on the brand's history, it's safe to say that it should last if treated well. I didn't have any direct customer service interactions with ZWILLING during my testing, but based on the reputation of the brand, you can expect a high level of support if needed. ZWILLING is known for standing behind their products and offering responsive customer service, which is always a plus when investing in higher-end kitchen appliances. As for updates, this product doesn't rely on any firmware or software updates, so there's no need to worry about that. To sum it up, the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender is a well-designed, high-performance appliance that's ideal for those who blend a lot of tough ingredients or need a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to salsas with ease. Its 1400-watt motor and German-made Winglet blade make it a powerful option, but the price might put it out of reach for some. If you're willing to invest in a premium blender that offers reliability, performance, and sleek aesthetics, this could be a great addition to your kitchen. However, if you're on a tighter budget or don't need all the advanced features, there are alternatives that might be more suited to your needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check the comments box for the link to grab the ZWILLING Enfinigy Power Blender. If you've used it or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Till next time, this is Reviewsinside.tv, helping you find the right products for your lifestyle. See you in the next one.